Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Well, this is the agenda here. We'll just go through the animations, the motion study, and inside it we'll also see the animation wizard and the camera animations. Let's get started with this. Okay, well, so I'll be taking you through the basics of motion studies. I can just switch to this tab, that is motion study. So here I'll be having all the components, and these are the few tools which will help us to create the basic animations. So in this option we have the basic motion animation. You could refer any of these. So basic animations, you can use this if you would like to do the motion studies, and you can, if you want to add the motors and all, you can use this option. Yep, right now I would like to define the motor for this shaft. You can just define the basic motion, and you would like to select this one, the motor. There are two options. One is the linear actuator. Well, I would like to have the rotary motor. It will ask you for the face or edge or a point. I would like to select the face. Yep, this is the rotation it is showing. The RPM it is asking. Let me just define it 50 RPM. The constant speed I would like to have it. That is the distance, oscillating, and depends expressions. So in advanced steps you'll be able to learn these all the things, but right now the constant speed. If you simply click on green check, it will be by default for 5 seconds. You can just run this one, the calculate, and it will try to move it. Yeah, so if you would like to play the animation, simply can click on this, so it will play. Yep, so this is how we can use it. And yeah, so even you can able to play with this animation wizard. So there is a rotation of the model, you can define it. If you just simply click on next, it will ask you along which direction you would like to have the rotation. So I would like to have it along Y. Number of rotations I would like to have one. So it is asking whether the clockwise or anti-clockwise. I'd like to take the clockwise. Yeah. So here the number of duration it is asking. So 10 seconds. Start time. I'd like to specify 0 because here it ended at 5. It will take the 5 here. And now just try. If you would like to calculate, this is how it works. Okay, now we'll see something else. I'll delete this animation and we'll start new one. Yeah, so now there is an option called orientation. You can add this one. Disable view creations. You can just activate this. And now let's say I would like to drag and drop it here. And you can just replace the key, in the sense you can just zoom in somewhat. So you could see this is how it comes here. Now next, at exactly 6 seconds, I would like to rotate this model. Means it should rotate like this. Now could see this is how it rotates. Now if you play this, this is how it works. Yeah. And now in this itself, if you would like to add some other animations, you can even do that. Explode also you can try. So now in this, along with this itself, if you would like to have the motor, you can just select the motor, define the component, constant speed 50. Yeah, so just click on green check. So along with this, the motor will also be defined. Finally, to conclude, we had gone through the animation basics, where we had just used the basic motion tools like motor and the animation wizards to create the basic animations like the rotation and the explodes. Yeah, and finally we had also seen the camera animations, and along with us, how do we combine the motion study animations into it. Yep, that's all. Thank you. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.